Hi, thanks so much for checking out this gig. So in this gig, I'm going to professionally manage and grow your Instagram account for 1 month. So in this gig, I'll be performing organic interactions from your Instagram account, so I'll need to have an access to your account. You can have a two-factor authentication enabled. That way, your account is going to be secured and I will be the only person who will access the account. This promotion works great if you have a personal account and trying to build more momentum, if you have a personal brand and trying to gain more engaging audience, or if you have a business account and looking to increase potentially your leads and sales. This is a great promotion to run. I've been managing tens of thousands of different Instagram accounts in different niches, so I can definitely help you reach your target audience and grow the account with active people. Feel free to send me a message if you're looking to get an analysis and see if your account fits the criteria, and I'll be happy to start working with you.